if I haven't had washed my hair in a month because it's been in a protective style, I am going to use a shampoo with a sulfate in it. I want my hair clean. Clean hair is very important to me. Okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is and if you care, if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will enjoy it. So I guess I'm getting to that point where, like, listen, I'm really don't feel like being bothered with my hair, so let me do something like a protective style to put it up in. And I just wanted to make a quick note. It's been several, I made 2 videos on my channel using a shampoo with sulfates in them. Now, I do use shampoo, I do use sulfate-free shampoos as well. And I am the type of person that I go with what my hair needs at the time. Like, I don't have a set routine, or I don't use the same exact products every time I do my hair. I go with what my hair needs. Yes, I have favorite products. Yes, I have favorite brands, but I listen to my. So now today, this is the video. I'm going to be using a sulfate-free shampoo. I've been wearing my hair out. It's been in a ponytail all week. It's a wash and go. It's an old wash and go. I did my hair. When did I do my hair? When did I do this? I think I did my hair on Sunday, last Sunday, and it's Saturday. And my hair just been in like a puff and a ponytail. So I go with what my hair needs. Okay. So right now, I'm thinking I'm gonna wash my hair with this. Like today, I don't think I need a clarifying shampoo. This will get your hair clean, but it won't strip. It's by Camille Rose. This is one of my favorite brands. This is one of the brands that, you know, got me realizing that quality products for your hair. And now I'm feeling my hair. I'm feeling like I want to get me something that's going to give me some moisturize, to give me some moisture, but also like replenish and repair my hair at the same time. For my deep conditioner with this is also Camille Rose. It's the, I do not know how to pronounce this, but this is, oh child. Okay, it's only this much left of it. I really love this. This does wonders on my hair. I will show you. I'm almost done, actually. Another one on deck. Yes. So let me get started with washing my hair, and I'll be right back. So, hair wash. I only wash my hair one time. I did one lather, and then I rinse. My hair feels very, my hair feels very soft. So now I'm going to do my deep conditioner. It's thundering. I'm going to go in with something a little bit more reparative, because I feel like I've been having my hair in a ponytail a lot and puffs a lot, and that can be very damaging. And I have some breakage in the crown of my head. I do have some breakage. So, and that's another reason why I kind of like want to put my hair in a protective style, because I do have some breakage, and it's like really thin in the middle of my hair. So I'm going to focus on that today. Today, I want to make sure I focus in the middle of my head. So I'm going to section off my hair like in 5 sections. I don't know, because see them ponytails and them puffs, I really don't Like right here feels like damaging. I'm gonna focus. All right, so this part, it feels kind of like sore. That's from them puffs. Yeah, like when you start to feel lazy with your natural hair, it's time to put it in a protective style. Better a protective style than damage. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just show y'all the consistency of it. And by the way, the conditioner is so good. And this I think it goes for about $20 a jar. Pretty expensive. To me, I think it's worth it. It's just amazing. I can just tangle with this. It has a lot of slip. It just melts in your hair. It don't feel like it's just like on it up. And then I'm gonna go around my head, and I'll come back when it's time to get to the middle where the damage, I have a lot of damage. So separate that part. I don't want too much pulling. Gotta be careful. I don't want too much pulling on my hair because my hair been in ponytail all week, and I think that's one of the reasons. A lot of puffs and ponytails and just doing your hair, period. It's just sometimes can be so much stress on your hair. That's another reason why I do like to protect the styles every now and again, just to give your hair like a break. And I really try to do low manipulative styles. Like I either have my hair in a fro. My hair is usually in a fro or a puff. And I think the puffs is really what's damaging my hair. So you want to make sure you get the ends of your hair really good. The ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair. And that's where a lot of the breakage does happen. It's the hair that's been here the longest, and I like to focus on the ends, but on my crown I have to focus at the top too, because there are some broken pieces. Let me see if I can find some broken pieces in my hair. So just being very gentle. Very gentle. Okay, let me see. See, like this. Look at that. Like, see how short that is? conditioner is all in, so I'm gonna get a plastic bag, put a plastic bag on my head, and set. I have a little dryer. So hair is deconditioned, rinsed out. I rinse it out with cool water like the directions said. Towels can snag your you know, when you have like kinky curly coils like I have, the towel, I mean your hair can get snagged in the towel, so I just use this t-shirt to dry my hair. Next, I'm going to prepare my hair to go in a protective style. I'm going to section my hair off again. I think I'm going to keep like just keep how I had my hair for my deep conditioner. Just keep it like that. I'm just going to put like some plaits in my hair. I don't know how to comb roll. So that ain't me. I'm just gonna section it off. And this is how I had it in my deep conditioner. So normally I don't use a comb to detangle my hair or a brush. I don't believe in brushes and combs on my natural kinks. Sometimes I use a wide tooth comb like this. And then when I use a wide tooth comb, I never comb on dry hair. Never. It causes a lot of breakage. How do I detangle my hair? I finger detangle for the most part. That's what works for me. Do what works for you. You like brushes? If brushes work for you, by all means, do what works for you. I'm going to use the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. Oh, I love this. This is my second bottle of this. I started using Camille Rose. Like I said, I started using Camille Rose about a year and a half ago. And I just recently ran out of this. I love this stuff. It is amazing. Like this, I'm telling you, this really changed the game for me. It's very thick. That's really thick. Like at that. That's not moving. That's really thick. It smells just like cake. Like vanilla cupcakes. It's just amazing. Amazing. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the oil. So I'm gonna go in with the I don't understand this. The Name Guy and Tabuska Shrimp Restore Hair Oil. Yeah, I got this from their website. They was having a sale like last year. Like I picked up a lot of stuff from them. I don't know how to do cornrows. Like, yeah, I'm that black girl that don't know how to cornrow. Like, I wish I did. I did try, but they always look a mess. But it's just not my thing. I'd rather just plait, put a stocking cap on my little plaits and go. At least my hair is protected, it's moisturized, it's put away. You know what I'm saying? As long as my hair is protected, it's moisturized. That's all that matters. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'm gonna come back and show you guys my end results to get ready for my protective style. Alright. So finally, it's done. Really simple. I didn't even like make parts in my hair. It's just something to get this is just something to have my hair moisturized and protected. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plaits in my hair. So yeah, I'm about to go to bed. It's like 10 something. It's not that late, but it's 10 something. I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna put my bonnet on, and then tomorrow when I'm ready to do my wig, I will just probably just pin my hair up